Teman-teman sekalian, good morning everyone. I'm here and one of few people in Taiwan. This is in the Wulai Waterfall. Look at my back here. It's very beautiful here. Have a waterfall like this. So beautiful. Awesome. So let's check it out. You can see the waterfall from the near here. You can go down here. It's very beautiful. Like this. It's pure natural waterfall. So it's a lot of fun to take the picture here, and it's have so many people here. Guys, here don't afraid. It's no food here, but it's a lot of a restaurant in the left of here. Lot of and a lot of other food too, because it have a seafood here. Yes, here you can rent the gondola here. Have a ticket. And you can use ticket and the person. Okay, is 200 rupees. And the table is 150. It's very cheap, so you can rent it over there. Here are the Wulai Forestry Life Museum. You can enter it, but you must wearing the mask. The mask. Here have a miniature of Wulai. This is look at this is the gondola before. We have a like this. The people how to carry the trees here like this. Have a statue here. It's a cute statue, and have a tree. This is all of a tour. It's very long time. It's every year. Have a little rail is here. It's like this. It's so awesome. So guys, if you go to the downstairs of the museum, you can finally on the base of a bronze waterfall here. You can see the waterfall there here. 什么？
竹筒饭。
这个很好吃，对啊，这道花很好吃。It's very cheap and very delicious. And instead of the bamboo like that, you can eat with the shrimp like this. It's very delicious and very cheap here in the Wulai Waterfall. And the Wulai Waterfall, you can rent a train here. You can buy a ticket. It's very cheap. It's just 25 for adult and just 15 for children. Yeah, very cheap, bro. So guys, after rent the train, we almost get there. Here is a very beautiful panoramic view. The smoking there. Very beautiful. The clear water here. After cross the bridge, you can see here a traditional market. Here have a lot of food court here in the red and of light. In the long way of the route. Yeah. It's panoramic up there is very, very beautiful. Yeah, and the train is coming up. Like red river. Very fun. Here is beautiful something there. Okay, guys, finally I want to go home and explore the Wulai here. It's very fun here. You should come to here, really.
Selalu membawa